Hey, so in this video I want to talk about the number one thing that will stop you from becoming an alpha male and what will prevent women from finding you attractive and also what will stop you from getting what you want in life. Now, most guys, let's face it, they're very passive. They play video games, they go on OnlyFans, they watch TV, they watch movies, they don't really make much effort and they're not interacting with the physical world. The world is physical, right? It's based on physics. So in order to influence the world, you have to take action. And it doesn't matter who you are. If you look at the most successful people in the world, the most successful businessmen, the most successful entrepreneurs, the most successful athletes, anyone who is successful takes action. Whether it's training, whether it's investing in their knowledge, whether it's upgrading their skills, they are taking a form of action. They're not in a passive state. A passive state means that you're a beta male. You're waiting for women to approach you. You're waiting for women to make a move. You're waiting for things to happen. You're waiting for an inheritance. You're waiting to receive money. You're waiting to get lucky. That's a passive state, and that's how beta males think. If you want to be alpha, you have to be active. It's the opposite of being beta. You go after women that you find attractive. You get money when you want it. You make business moves. You make career moves, you invest in yourself. Anything where you're active and actively making a move, that's going to put you into an alpha state straight away. So the greatest philosophy for any man, right? It's not Socrates, it's not Plato, it's none of that stuff. The greatest philosophy for any man is action. Take action. That will get you where you want to go in life. It'll make you happier, it'll make you more successful, it'll kill depression, it'll kill anxiety. Going to the gym, building your body, building your brain, right? Any kind of physical interaction with the world will change your life in a positive way and bring you incredible results. Now, if you want to know more about how to implement change, I highly recommend you get a copy of my new book. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below. And don't forget, I do Skype, phone, and email consultations. You can book a consultation with me on my website, develofattraction.com.